everybody. Today we are going to do the notes lecture of the laburnum top. तो वैसे तो laburnum top की मैंने दो वीडियोस फुल लेंथ वीडियोस जो हैं अपलोड करी हुई हैं मेरे चैनल पर, जिन पे अमेजिंग रिव्यू था आप लोगों का. बट ये है laburnum top की नोट्स वीडियो, जो कि आप लोग अफोर्ड ही नहीं कर सकते मिस करना, क्योंकि ये है मेरा यूएसपी और ये है मेरा द ओनली एक्सक्लूसिव फीचर. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड द laburnum top. तो मैं laburnum top को आपको साइड बाय साइड रीड भी करती रहूंगी और laburnum top के बारे में एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देती रहूंगी. First paragraph says the laburnum top is silent, quite still. In the afternoon yellow September sunlight, a few leaves yellowing, all its seeds fallen. Right? So the laburnum top is basically a short tree with hanging branches and yellow flowers, stood motionless without any sound. So there is no sound in the laburnum top on a bright September afternoon. ठीक है, कुछ लीव्स जो हैं वो येलो हो जाती हैं और कुछ जो हैं वो स्कैटर हो जाती हैं अराउंड इट. ठीक है, साइलेंट क्वाइट स्टिल का मतलब है एलिटरेशन, ये आप सबको पता ही है, ये मैंने पिछली वीडियोस में भी आपको बताया. सो बेसिकली द laburnum top is a short tree with hanging branches and yellow flowers. It stood motionless without any sound. It stood very quiet, calm and silent. On a bright September afternoon, a few leaves had yellowed. कुछ leaves जो थी अब laburnum top की वो yellow हो चुकी थी, and कुछ seeds जो हैं वो उनके गिर चुके थे. कुछ क्या, mostly जो हैं वो गिर चुके थे. Now, हमें कैसे पता कि it was bright afternoon and it was autumn? So the poet is talking about the autumn season because there is yellow September and leaves are yellowing and all the seeds are fallen. तो seeds जो है वो गिर रहे हैं, पतझड़ का मौसम इसीलिए हमें लग रहा है. Clear everybody? So next, the poet, the stillness of the tree. अभी तक जो ट्री था वो एकदम स्टिल था, देयर वॉज नो काइंड ऑफ मूवमेंट इन द ट्री. तो जो स्टिलनेस ऑफ द ट्री है वो जो है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है विद द अराइवल ऑफ द गोल्ड फिंच. जो एम्प्टीनेस थी ट्री की वो चली जाती है विद द अराइवल ऑफ द गोल्ड फिंच. The arrival of the goldfinch changes the scene completely and there is a lot of movement and sound. Now there is a lot of movement which can be seen and there is a lot of sound in the tree now. ठीक है, the movement of goldfinch is compared to that of a lizard, as it is sleek, alert and abrupt like a lizard. It is appearing suddenly and starts the tree like a इंजन. ये क्या कर देती है, एकदम स्टार्ट कर देती है ट्री को एकदम इंजन की तरह. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज सिमिली. शी एंटर्स द foliage like a lizard, smooth, watchful and hasty. All right, next, the mood of the poem changes from silent to happy and excited as the tree becomes noisy and trembles like a machine. This is a metaphor. एक मशीन की तरह जो है वो ट्रेम्बल करने लग जाता है पूरा का पूरा tree. As she entered the tree, suddenly seemed to become alive. There were shrill sounds of twittering and chirping, and the tree seemed to be quivering with joy. The mother bird was like the engine of the family. Like an engine, she added life to the tree. Clear, everybody? All right, next. She refers to the goldfinch. The goldfinch is personified as it is like the mother, right? She refers to the goldfinch. Her arrival is compared to the starting of an engine. It's a metaphor, all right? The tree becomes noisy and pulsating like the engine. Her arrival leads to the sound of full of sound and movement. Stokes it full means it adds fuel to it and causes to come to life. She moves about playfully from branch to branch. So the goldfinch move about the tree playfully from branch to branch. All right. Her barred face identity mask means that her face has the peculiar yellow look and black markings. This is what sets her apart from the other birds. This is what sets her apart from the other birds. Then with airy dash 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 to empty. So the goldfinch flies away. The goldfinch flies away from the laburnum after the producing a whistling sound. तो अब जो है goldfinch जो है वो एकदम ही fly away हो जाती है after producing a whistling sound. The sound of goldfinch is peculiar as it is a liquid twittering song with trills. ठीक है, बहुत सारी वो trembles करती है. ठीक है, she flies away into the sound and the tree is reverted back into the silence. Tree जो है वो वापस से silence की तरफ बदल जाता है. एरी मीन्स एकदम फ्राइटनिंग वे से, मिस्टीरियस वे से, अनयूजुअल वे से. विद अ मिस्टीरियस लो विसल unusual way she flew off into the sky. Once again the laburnum quieted down as it was before her arrival. यानी जैसे कि पहले गोल्डफिंच के आने से पहले था वैसा ही वो दोबारा से हो जाता है. अंडरस्टूड. कॉन्ट्रास्ट क्या है इन द बिगिनिंग एंड द एंड ऑफ द पोम? दैट इज द कॉमन पॉइंट इज साइलेंस, है ना. अब एंड में जो था, in the beginning the laburnum tree is silent and on a September afternoon, and in the end when the goldfinch departs the silence again returns. The silence and the emptiness again returns and the tree again becomes calm. Clear everybody? 101%. This poem was beautifully written by Ted Hughes. Ted Hughes. याद रखिएगा, Hughes. Alright, subscribe to the channel, like the video, watch other videos of the laburnum top. Bye bye.